Hi, this is the Natural English. Watch, listen, and learn. Let's go. So, this is me, Victoria. Victoria, like a queen, Victoria, but I am not rich and I am not famous, while Queen is rich and Queen is famous. Remember? Anyway, I do not live in a palace. I live in an apartment. My apartment is small, but it is in a big house. Let's count how many floors does my house have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my house has 10 floors, and people do not live on all 10 floors. People live on the second floor. People live on the third floor, on the fourth floor, on the fifth floor, on the sixth floor, on the seventh floor, on the eighth floor, on the ninth floor, and on the 10th floor. But people do not live on the first floor. Do you know why people do not live on the first floor? Let me tell you. Because the first floor is commercial floor. The first floor is for shops, pharmacies, and other commercial places. So, where do I live? I live on the second floor. Not very high. My building has an elevator. But do you think I use an elevator? No, I do not use an elevator because the second floor is not very high. So I walk to the second floor. And when people walk a lot, they are healthy, they are strong, and walking is good for you. So guess who else loves walking? You guessed it, this is Roxy. Roxy also loves walking. And she walks 5 kilometers every day. But of course, Roxy doesn't walk on the stairs. Roxy walks outside. And do you think Roxy walks alone or with somebody else? Of course, Roxy does not walk alone. She walks with me. She walks with her human. And that's why, because I walk with Roxy a lot, I am strong and I am healthy. So where do we walk? Let's see. We can go to the park. We can go to the lake. And our city is pet friendly. So it means that Roxy can go to many different places. She can go with me to the pharmacy. She can go with me to the restaurant. She can go with me to the grocery store. But of course, Roxy's favorite place is pet shop. Roxy loves the pet shop. In a pet shop, I can buy her many different things. I can buy her treats. I can buy her dog food. I can buy her toys. I can buy her chewing bone, and I can buy her poo bags. Roxy is very happy when I buy her treats, dog food, toys, and chewing bones. And Roxy doesn't care when I buy her poo bags because Roxy does not understand why I clean her poo and why I need poo bags. This is confusing for Roxy. She doesn't understand. Anyways, Roxy is waiting. It's time for me to take her to a walk. It's time for us to go for a walk. So bye bye. See you next time.